Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Mike Joe, a physical therapist. Hey, today we're going to be talking about top 10 alternative healthcare careers for therapists like us. We'll be back in a few seconds, okay?
HelloNote is a truly therapist-friendly practice management solution with integrated EMR that will enhance workflow, efficiency, and patient care. HelloNote reduces error and allows you to spend more time with your patients. It comes integrated with billing. Claims are generated once a note is completed. You can bill with one click and a patient portal, which streamlines the patient intake process. Beautifully engineered and cloud-based for easy accessibility, the software works on all platforms. You can access patient records from anywhere. We also offer 24/7 support. HelloNote is the practice management solution that you're looking for.
All right, we are back. Today we're going to be talking about top 10 alternative healthcare careers for PTOT, speech or assistants or whatever you call all our rehab professionals. But before I keep on going, check out hellonote.com if you need documentation system. And of course, medbridge.com, you can use the code alternative. You can get 10, not 10, not 10, not 20, not 30, but 40% discount. Okay, let's go back to the top 10 alternative healthcare careers for PTOT speech. Number one is data analytics. So when you're doing data analytics, you can work for a computer or not computer, but IT companies, and they'll ask you, hey, what are the stuff that you can analyze for us, especially when it comes to therapy, numbers, and everything like that. Okay. So of course it could be a remote job too. I'm looking at it, so there's a lot of jobs out there, clinical data analytics. And of course, the good thing about it is you can, work remotely, of course, which probably a lot of people would like to do that now, right? So number two is obviously education. A lot of people I know, they work in the health in school system, and then they work a certain number of days in the years, and then the rest of the year they're off and stuff like that. It's just an amazing alternative career. Yeah, that people are asking how about the pay and everything. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. It just really depends on your cost of living. But I've seen a recent post in our group, Alternative Healthcare Career, that there's this PTA director around 120 a year. It's not bad, right? All right. Next is basically the top, of course, number three. Not really number three. This is not a chronological order, but number three is utilization reviewer. There are hundreds of people in our utilization reviewer course that are actual utilization reviewer now, and they're rocking it. What does a UR do? They basically, check authorization, stuff like that. And there are jobs that are remote, jobs that require you to be on site too. Okay. Number 4 is rehab technology and innovation. So rehab technology, you got those people who are doing ATPs, wheelchair. They ask you to, hey, can you do this? Can you the gate I forgot that company. The gate the new gate, they're asking physical therapists to work with their company called Newgate, virtual reality, stuff like that. So rehab technology, all right? Number 5, clinical or rehab liaison. A lot of people are already doing this. They're basically the sales or point person. I've met a lot of PTA already doing this. So yeah, shout out to all the PTAs doing this because they are the best person to really, not really admit, but screen the patients from either from their home, from the hospital, and then they accept in the inpatient rehab hospital, right? Number 6 is you could be a recruiter, not an illegal recruiter, but the recruiter that recruits other therapists or nurses or physicians, and they pay well, when you become a recruiter, right? Number 7, you can be a blogger, a writer, or a vlogger, like what I'm trying to do, right? Vlogging or whatever. So blogging, you're writing stuff and you got a website and everything like that. You can also ghost blog or ghost write for other companies and other clinics and stuff like that, right? Number 8, you can be in sales. All right. There's a lot of sales out there, wheelchair sales, DME, pharmaceutical sales. I used to be a pharmaceutical rep. I used to sell drugs, right? The good drugs, right? The cholesterol and the hypertension drugs, right? So sales number is also an alternative career for us. Number 9 obviously is entrepreneurship. That's where I'm at right now. We're doing we have our different clinics, multiple clinics that we have, home visits and everything like that. It's not for all, just like all this alternative career that we have, it's not for all. But it is an alternative way too. And last but not the least is telehealth. I've been doing a lot of telehealth lately, doing wheelchair evaluations, obviously telehealth. With the rise of RTM, remote therapeutic monitoring, most companies will also need to require remote therapists to do the RTM or remote therapeutic monitoring. All right. Again, before I let you go, remember the medbridge.com. Use the code alternative. And of course, Hello Note if you need a documentation system. All right. But I hope this top 10 alternative healthcare career help you out. Thank you. You have a good day. Bye.
HelloNote is a truly therapist-friendly practice management solution with integrated EMR that will enhance workflow, efficiency, and patient care. HelloNote reduces error and allows you to spend more time with your patients. It comes integrated with billing. Claims are generated once a note is completed. You can bill with one click and a patient portal, which streamlines the patient intake process. Beautifully engineered and cloud-based for easy accessibility, the software works on all platforms. You can access patient records from anywhere. We also offer 24/7 support. HelloNote is the practice management solution that you're looking for.